Hello everyone. Today in artificial intelligence, let us move on to the next topic, which is called as types of agents. So agents are nothing but which is going to have sensors and actuators, and those sensors are going to sense your environment, and the actuators are going to reflect the actions of it. So what are the types of agents we are having? A simplex agent. We have simplex agent, model-based agent, goal-based agent, and utility-based agent. Then we have learning agents. So according to the generations that has been converted of AI, we have these types of agents that are available. So what is this simplex agent? So I told you, right, the agent has something called sensors and actuators. These sensors are going to learn observe the information from the environment, and according to that environment, it's going to give some responses and take actions. And according to those rules, it's going to reflect the actions, right? So it observes the world, chooses the action, and implements the action, and that's it. It's simple enough. So that is how it is going to work. Certain questions will be available in the agent sensors. According to that sensing information, it's going to deliver the information. It's not going to update, or it's not going to learn from its environment. So that's why this is called not fully observable. So all the information from the environment will not be recorded. Only certain aspects, very important aspects of the environment will be observed from the environment, and according to that, decisions will be made. Next is depending on the performance metrics, this is going to be inefficient. So when you want a simple machine, a simple kind of environment is going to be created. For those kind of things, we can use simple agents. We need not complicate the agent. Next, let us see the pseudocode of the simple agent. The percept is nothing here is a parameter which is called as the current situation. So the function call as a simple reflex agent is going to take the current situation or current state, and it's going to return according to the current state. And there are certain set of rules and conditions that are going to be applied by the agent, and according to those rules, the answers will be reflected. So the interrupt input is nothing but it generates abstract description of the current state. Percept is nothing but the current state. And rule matches according to the question is being asked or the percept of the current state. It is going to match a particular rule, and the action returns the conditions answer. So whichever rule is going to be made from the question or the current state, that according to that it is going to reflect the action. So it is a very limited intelligence. So there is a lack of full observability. Then the current decision to be made if the environment is not fully observed, it is very, very simple agent. Okay, like automated taxi driver, okay, behind a car. This is a scenario which is given as an example for you, right? Next is model-based agent. This model-based agent is going to have certain states where, according to the state, it's going to get some decisions. So it keeps updating the state, internal state, okay, according to the environment. So any kind of new kind of situation is being occurring according to the state, the action is going to take place. So sensor, as usual, is going to take the information from the environment, and it's going to know how the world is presently now, and in what kind of state it's going to be. So how the world has changed from what it was and what is now, and what are the actions are supposed to be taken if the world has been changed. Okay, and same types of rules are being already there in the history or in the database, and according to that, the action is being taken. Okay, according to both the information, the action is being taken, and the actuators deliver the information. So this is about a model base. So the information how the world has evolved immediately of the agent, independently of the agent. Then the information about how the agent's own its action affects the world, and what type of drawbacks it is having. Next will be see about goal-based agents. According to goal-based agents, according to each and every state, new kind of information that is being evolved. So according to that, decisions can be made for what is the current state. So as usual, the sensor information take the sensing information of the environment, and how it is going to be evolved is going to be taken from the state, and from where to where the changes have been made, and in between there is some updation has been done, again it can go to the state and it can get the information how it has been evolved, and once again this can be repeated in a loop. Okay, and according to those, actions can be reflected, and from those the goals can be attained, and from there the accreditators deliver the information. So this is how goal-based agent is going to work. So according to the goal, what are the new or the futuristic information that is going to be acquired? From there information will be got, and from there it will be delivered. So current state of the information will be keeping on updating. Okay. More than this, more than goal-based agents, utility agents are the best ones. Okay, and the learning-based agents are a little more advanced than the other agents. Okay, the utility-based has some informations which are going to be stored in the utility. Okay, so as usual, the sensor information is got, the state is there, and how it is being evolved. All this information is taken place as usual like a goal-based agent. And according to the situation and the environment, either I'm happy or sad, or I'm not in a mood, or I'm in an okay mood. So according to the mood and the situation, the results will be reflecting, or the results will be changing accordingly. So from there, the actions will be delivered to the environment. So according to the present situation, the utility-based agent takes information and delivers the information, and each and every time it keeps updating itself. Right? Learning-based agent has something called performance standards, performance elements, performance generators, critics, and learning environment elements. So what it does is the sensors learn from the environment, and critics, what are the ups and downs and what are the feedbacks that are being received. According to that critic, it learns, and according to that critic, it gives you the solution. So whatever changes have been made in the learning elements, the performance changes accordingly, and that is being updated once again in the learning environment. And according to the goal, the problem is generated with the solution, and that also reflects the performance. And then from there it goes to the accreditor, and the accreditor delivers the information. So it is dependent on the performance element, learning element, critic, and the performance generator. So this is all about types of agents. Thank you.